because I'm looking at the recording here and seeing if it's going to be okay. I hope you guys like it. One of these days, this is what we're going to be watching. This camera right here is a golden oldie. It's an old JVC, and the only thing that does not work on it, and that's this guy right here. That's broken. I don't know why. But who needs it, right? Yeah, well, that's okay. I don't know. Let me see. Menu. Can't get the menu to go in. Well, let's try this. Okay. Let's see if we can get this going. Ah, there we go. On. Counter reset. Yes. Exit. How about anything else in there? Hmm. All right. How about we go here? Try to program it. Ah, there we are. Auto. And there goes the fucking telephone. Medicaid, Medicare. Yeah. Fuck yeah, you rat, you son of a bitch. Get out of me face. Beta, SP, EP, E. Camera menu. Stabilizer is off. On. I want the on. What is this? What is that? Normal. Normal. Oh, of course I'm recording this. Zoom. Okay. Zoom. Eh. Oh, okay. I look at that one instead. Matilda. What is that? I don't know. Title. Setup. Exit. Okay. It looks like we got pretty good do that. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of that. Ooh, that's quick. I mean, that's real quick. I am really, 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 uh, you know, cool about these old cameras. Boy, I tell you what, this thing here is working like a charm, except for the screen. That doesn't work. Okay, let's watch this and see what the hell we're looking at now. Get out of my face, boy.